What is going on? Good morning. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today it's Sunday morning, about 9:30. I'm heading over to Dorsey's house right now. He called me last night saying he was having some truck problems. So we're gonna go ahead over there and we're gonna see if we can troubleshoot what's going on. And we'll see if we can figure this out, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. So once I get over there, I will check back in and we will see what we're dealing with here. Alright guys, we're back home now. It's actually a couple hours later. Dorsey's thing was very simple, so we didn't really record much or do anything there. Really all his problem was he lost a caliper bracket bolt, which I knew exactly what the problem was when he was describing me what he was, experiencing. And so yeah, we just went ahead and went to the store, picked up a new one. I threw it in there, and then we did a little hack job on his what do you call it here? His inner fender liner, because he rubs with the wheels that he has. So we just basically cut like right here, like this section out. And yeah, I took the angle grinder and did that. So we were there for like maybe an hour or so. And we got all that wrapped up. So with that being said, it's actually very nice outside. It's about to be like 55 degrees here in a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing some stuff on the truck, because why not? I have the time of day to do it, and it's nice outside. So I'm going to try to get stuff done while I can. So I have actually a problem that I've run into, so I'll come and show you guys that. Coming back here, yesterday I was out here working. My light bar is gone now. I took that off because that was just an absolute mess, and the wiring under there was a disaster. So I went ahead and I got rid of that thing. I'm probably gonna end up picking up a new one, something better, high quality. And in the meantime, I found that there were lights hanging, or wires hanging down there, and I was very confused as to what they were. And it turns out that these just melted. The inside of these like lights that I got, I had bought in lights aftermarket from like VIP Motos or something like that, and they just melted. Like they plugged in there, they were LED, and they were just disconnected. So I didn't have license plate lights for I don't even know how long. So yesterday I went ahead and I ordered new ones. Here are actually the wires over here. This is what they looked like when I came to them, just separate, not waterproofed apparently because they're shit. So that happened. So I ordered new ones right away. They're going to be here in a little bit, hopefully. And we're going to go ahead and replace those sockets and stuff because those are ruined because of what happened. So I ordered all new. That cost me like 30 bucks to fix everything. So we'll get to that wiring portion in a little while once that stuff gets here. But until then, I'm probably going to go ahead and empty out the bed and clean out the bed and stuff. And we'll find out what else I can figure out to do. I'm sure there will be something. So I'll check back in when I have something a little bit better. What's going on, guys? We're checking back in later in the day. I ended up, making a bunch of stuff went down. I got my new wiring, new sockets, new bulbs. I got new everything here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set you guys up. This is my little setup going. I got light, everything. It's a little bit late at night, so I'm gonna set you guys up and we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're kind of just gonna chill out, and I'm just gonna talk to you guys. You're gonna watch me go through the whole process. You're gonna get filled in on everything that's been going on, because we've been pretty dull on our videos lately because we just have been busy doing stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump right into that. All right, so we're gonna get right into it here. Basically where we're gonna start is we need some room to work here. So I'm gonna start on this left side first, since you guys will be able to see this side a little bit better. This would obviously probably be a lot easier if I was under the truck, but I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, basically, let's open these up, see what we got in each one of these, and then yeah, we'll go through it that way. That's a bunch of crap. This company's bogus.
You want the light or no?
Oh, I've got it now.
That's why I bought this.
I didn't want to have to run the wire all the way out here.
That's fine. It's fine. I was gonna get another one.
I need another one. Yeah, look at this.
Pretty bright. What?
My father is gone. Basically, what we're working with here is we got some wiring right here. We have a brown and a black. Your black is always going to be negative on anything you do, unless it's marked otherwise and you have that many colors that you cannot have a black. This is gonna be a whole problem. All right, we're gonna have to strip this back a little bit farther. don't know what this crap is. Get that crap out of here. So we got these right here. See these two? They're in like a wrap together. So there we go. Pull those apart a little bit. So basically, I mean, I'm just gonna start rambling on. I was just at Dorsey's earlier in this video. You guys saw that. It's the first time I've seen him in a little while. He seems to be doing all right. He's got a new job. He's actually in school doing automotive work, so that's good for him, you know. That's what we like to see. Jake still working at his place, so that's good. He's not fired yet. Here's the first one. We'll go with this one here. Yeah, I mean, Jake's looking for a new project car. He needs a new car, period, not even just project car, but so he's been looking for that for a little while. He's gonna continue looking for that probably for a little while. I mean, his budget's very limited. He's got a tough situation he's in, I guess. I mean, he's got to move out here pretty soon. He's got, you know, his car that's requiring money every freaking day. You know, he's got the same kind of situation I got. It's whatever. I mean, you know, whatever goes on, goes on. So yeah, I mean, Dorsey is talking about getting a diesel Duramax, but I don't know what's going on with that. I gotta put heat shrink on these first. So yeah, I mean, that's something. What else is going on? I'm just gonna split a new one here. We got Mr. Whitburn, Jeff. I've been talking to him a little bit recently. He's doing all right. No problems with the Lexus since he's gotten rid of that Ranger. Rest in peace, the Danger. But yeah, you know, he's doing all right. We're gonna just slide these over here. As for the truck, I mean, we run into issues all the time. You guys know that. That's just been a thing. All right, just like that, we're right back. Can't see much, but we can see enough. So my plan here is pretty basic. Purple wire to the brown wire, solder, and then basically the other wire to the other wire, and solder, heat shrink, and then repeat on the other side. All right, so we're back here. We just got this one finished up here, at least for the most part. We're gonna slide most of our connections over this. We got our towel in here and wipe off this excess silicone. Just because it makes it a lot easier. Now we're good for some electrical tape. Starting up high. So let me do that. Let me grab this phone. Show you guys exactly what I'm trying to do here. So if we come back here, right up there, it's where we need to be. So you can see, I'm gonna run my hand under here. Our wiring is right there. You can't really see, but we're up here. Maybe not. Let me flip on my lights. We got nothing. That's not a good sign. So my first thought here is going to be to flip these lights around inside this. There we go. Polarity matters. So with that being said, this is fixed. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up, and then we're gonna go adjust my front headlights. So I'll come back. What is going on, guys? I'm not sure if this is a new video or if this is gonna be continuation of the next video, because I've got, you know, film that I haven't really gone through yet, or video that I haven't really gone through and edited yet. So I'm not sure whether this is gonna be picking up in a video or if this is gonna be its own video. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do some things. It's that time of the year where, you know, it's cold, but like it's decent outside, so I can get some stuff done. And I really, you know, I'm just itching to get stuff done right now. You know, I haven't been able to do much on the truck lately, so I'm looking, you know, get stuff done. I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw sway bar links in today. I have them, I've had them for a while. The old ones on here are absolute garbage, so we're gonna go ahead and pull these front two wheels off and get to the sway bar links and just switch them out real quick. And then by that time, it should be dark enough. Sorry about my neighbor. It should be dark enough so we can adjust my headlights, because it's decently warm outside, so it won't be too hard to do. So hopefully we can go ahead and get that done. So yeah, let's hop right into it. You know, guys, it's always something. Sway bar link is out here after some fighting, but you can see my dilemma here. It's a solid like 3 or 4 inches too short, so this one is just not gonna work. This old one is just trash. I mean, it's not gonna do much, but you know, I'm gonna have to make it work for now, because that is not the right one. So I'm gonna have to, I sent an email to the company already requesting my right one, but we'll see how that goes. All right, I know you guys can't see me just a second. Give me 1 second. So we went ahead and we tried to take the sway bar links off, and they were the wrong size, wrong ones. I don't know what the deal was. Sent the company an email. Hopefully they get back to me and send me the right ones. And then I just went ahead and was aligning my headlights, and I realized the driver's side fan on the back of them, since they're LEDs or HIDs, whatever you call them, they have like fans in the back of them to keep them cool. The passenger side one works. The driver's side one does not, and it's extremely hot to the touch. It's kind of scary, actually. But yeah, so I just sent Auxbeam a message. Hopefully they you know, send me a replacement or something for that, because these are not cheap headlights, and you know, they're a good company, so I'm hoping they just send me a replacement or something and get it out of the way, because that's kind of dangerous. I mean, I couldn't touch it for more than a split second trying to pull the light in and out because I was adjusting them. And yeah, I don't know, it's pretty sketchy, but we'll see what happens with that. That'll probably be in a continuation of another thing. But right now I'm actually going to be looking for the headlight seal, which is kind of weird. So like the bulb sits in like an O-ring seal, and then it should hold it in place, because the one that's in there, it like doesn't really hold the light perfectly. So I'm going to see if the one from the stock headlights will work better with what I have now. So I'm going to go ahead and check that. Well, it's not really morning anymore. It's kind of like midday. But actually right now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to take off the LED pods that are up front on my truck. I don't know if I mentioned this or not in previous videos, but I just ordered a set of fog lights. They're going to be here after I get back from my trip from Myrtle Beach. I'll be gone for about a week or so, so there'll be a video that goes up in the meantime though, so don't worry about that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull those off now, because we have legitimate fog lights that are gonna go on. See, it's just pretty easy. I just gotta unbolt them and pull them out, and then just trace back the wiring or whatever. No really big problem. But with that being said, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then in this video, Jake is actually on his way over here now. He just got out of school. He's going to school for automotive tech stuff now. And we're going to be heading for about an hour drive, and we're going to go pick up a tuner for my truck. I got a guy lined up. We're going to go meet him and pick that up. So we'll catch you there, I guess. Power of YouTube comes in handy, and we were able to go ahead and just pull those pods right out. It was just a bolt that was holding them to the bumper or whatever. That came out pretty easy. Once I got that done, I went ahead and just cut the wiring for the bottom too, because they were already, you know, I already did that wiring to start with, so it was my wiring to cut. You can see that they're just empty for now. Then I just followed it up undid the 2 things from the battery, and then I unplugged the button that is inside the cab. I can show you guys right here. It's sitting in there now. It was right here with the other 2 that are for the other 2 light bars. But yeah, we just traced it all the way back, just cut it off, whatever, took it out. The pods are gone now. I'm debating on if I want to put them in the rear here and use them as reverse lights, because I see a lot of people that do that, and I think it would be kind of cool, but I'm not sure yet. I don't know how I'd mount them either, because a lot of people just put them in the bumper, and I'm not going to drill holes in this bumper. Might try to mount them to like the lower support, like the tow package thing itself, where it sits down a little bit. I might have it go there. But yeah, with that being said, Jake should be here any minute now, and then we'll get a move on and we'll start heading out to where we're going. All right, guys, not sure how well you can really see me here, but yeah, we're editing the video as usual, and I forgot to film an outro, and this video was filmed a while ago. I mean, some of this stuff is from almost a month ago now. It's just been pretty hectic, a lot of stuff going on. But I'm not going to update you guys on everything that's been going on since then, because I'm about to do that in the next video I'm about to start filming today. I'm going to try to do a quick turnaround on that. We should have enough to do today to just film a video and get it right up right away. So that's the plan there. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like down below. If you guys like the commentating kind of thing, it didn't really work out too well on this one. It'll probably be better if I have like Jake or somebody else with me that'll help me talk, but we'll try that again soon. But yeah, with that being said, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys all in the next episode. Peace.